What is the real meaning of eating fried chicken in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of eating fried chicken dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see eating fried chicken in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity in the coming future. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon with big monetary gain in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests certain spiritual awakening that will make you a powerful and happier person in the upcoming time. Now number 2, if you see eating fresh and delicious fried chicken in a dream, then this dream also indicates good health, success, prosperity and reward of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success in the coming future, as well as the beginning of something new like a new job, business, etc. that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 3, if you see eating spoiled fried chicken in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution. Because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life or you have chosen the wrong path in life, that will not give you the desired results in the coming future. So to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment, you need to set some new goals according to priority in life. Now number 4, if you see eating undercooked fried chicken in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life as soon as possible. Because most of the time, hastiness and wish for overnight success mentality creates only problems, worries and burden and confusion in life. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to think before act to get success in your work, project or planning. Because all things take on time to complete in this world. Now number 5, if you see someone else eating fried chicken in a dream, then it indicates that you are on the right path in life that will give you the desired results in the coming future. So to get the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to think big to get extraordinary results in real life. Now number 6, if you see eating burnt fried chicken in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to leave your past in the past as soon as possible. Because there are lots of new opportunities present all around you. So this is the right time to set new goals and work upon achieve them, because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future.